Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. In today's lesson, I would like to show you how we can change the callout detail style. Okay. As we know, we have this style, or when we are making a callout view, and this is the detail. This is just a text, and this is the number, which is A, B, C. Depending on how many callout view we create on view, and this is the drawing number. As you see here, this is the drawing number, but we can change this one. How we can make this, and this is not only for callout view, and this video include every symbol in advanced style, like camera symbol, like compass symbol, and other symbols. Okay, anyhow, just let me now close this one, and from where we can start. Before I start, I would like to ask you to share this video and subscribe my channel for more new videos. Okay, so let us start. From output tab, go to edit prototype. As you see now, these are prototypes. Just click here, go back one folder, and go to symbols, and as we see, callout. So just press C on keyboard and callout template, as you see here, callout template. But I want to because I want to change this one, I want to make a copy. So Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and so as to be so as to have the original version. So after that, just open this one. Yes, it's like this. When it opens, as we see here, we have this hexagonal shape. We can delete this hexagonal, and this one, again, double click. As you see, this is the drawing number. So we don't need a drawing number, so I want to delete this one, and double click here. As you see, this is attribute, and this is called view number. We need this one, and this one just a text, and it's the default tag, just a text. We can change this text also. So I want to just leave it like this, so it will be detail A, detail B, detail C, detail D. It's just like this. Okay. As you see, everything is blocks and attributes. After that, just save this one, close it. Yes, again, save this file from right click, or you can save it from here, doesn't matter. Make another drawing. Let me make another drawing. Yes. So go back. Let's open these two drawings. Open. This is that we had before, and this is now I want to create a callout drawing for this one. I can move it to down. Go to labels and dimensions. Create callout. Create a detail. So you see the difference. This is just a detail A, and before we had this shape, but now we have this detail. Okay, so it's easily it's very easy to change any symbol here. We change this symbol. Okay, we don't need this one. For now, I want to show you how you can change the camera symbols or compass symbol. Okay, in the same procedure you can go to output and open edit prototypes. As you see, every single symbol you can change. Here, this is the custom clip, as we know, for clipping drawings, or compass mark. We have this mark when we put compass on our drawings, or any type of compass that, or any type of symbols that we can change. We have many things, and this, as you see, this is the anything. We have a lot of things that here we have nuts, a lot of things that we can change it, but our is with symbols, so I can change camera symbol, or I can change compass mark. You can just click open, and you can instead of this one we can make some lines like this. So RO for copy, C for making a copy, and you can write down polygon with 3 sides. So maybe like this. After that, move it, make mirror, MI for mirror. After that, select both, RO, sorry, RO for rotate, click here, C for copy, just something like this. We can change this one to that one, okay, or whatever of shape, whatever you want, okay. So this just in case. By the way, if you remember, I copied a file, right? For this one, I copied this file. I have to change the original one, not the one that I copied, okay? Because of this name, it will take the information from this file, okay? So I have to change the original one, not the copied one. And this is the all thing for today. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share this video.